how to make a payment on your Bank of America credit card. If you want to make a payment on your Bank of America credit card, it's actually quite very simple for us to do so. Then what you have to do is go ahead and first of all, make sure to launch the Bank of America application over here first. Then when you launch the Bank of America app, you have to make sure to log into your mobile banking application. Then when you've done that, after you log in, you'll find the option to make payments, transfer funds, or set up a recurring payment. That's how you can do it. Now, another thing that you can do is you can actually visit a bank or maybe the branch and insert your credit card to make a payment with cash or a check. You can also do this at their own ATM. You can make your credit card and then you can insert it to make a payment with cash or check. You can also send a check to the address provided on your bill. And this way you can normally just make payment on your Bank of America credit card. I hope the video helped you out. If you have got any further questions, do feel free to leave them down below. Thanks for watching till the very end and see you soon in the next video.